Welcome to online classes student. So today in our maths class, as we are doing our revision section because the second paper held in September, right, in this month. So we have to do the revision also. In the revision, as we have done our fraction chapter, right, fraction money will come in your unit test 2. Then you can see students that in money what we have to revise. What we have to revise. We have to revise about how to conversion of rupee and paisa, right? If I give you something, if I buy something, 3 products, and I want to know that the total cost of that product, then I will find by that money. Okay, we have to find the money. So in all the things what we have to do, we have to find out the money. Okay, so its whole equation is around money. So you can see in chapter 8a we learn that how we have to do the conversion of rupees, right? How we have to do the conversion of rupee. So students, where we have the 15, okay, 15, that is 15 rupees, and when we multiply by 100, okay, what is become, how we convert it? We convert by 100 because 1 rupee is equal to, okay, if you want to write here RS, or you can write sign of rupee, okay. So which is equal to how many paisas? That is written in your book, 100 paisa, okay. Always remember this one as your formula to convert the paisa, okay, conversion of rupee and paisa. So this one is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So we have to convert this rupee into paisa. So always we will multiply by 100 because we want to know that how much paisa is here. So when we multiply, then we come to know that how we have to convert this one, okay. So here is our 1500 paisa in our pocket now. So we learn how to convert, right? So we know that how to convert, then we learn that how to convert the rupee, okay, how to convert the rupee. So let's do this, how we are converting the rupee. As you can see the, okay, yes, convert into rupees is second part of your exercise 80. So let's do that. That is conversion of rupee. As here is written 756. So for simple, what we have to do, we have to take 2 digit here and take a 1 point ahead, which means before 2 digit we have to take a decimal or a point where we can differentiate about rupee and paisa. So here is 7.56, which one is, this one is our rupee, okay, and this one unit is paisa, okay. Whatever digit given to us, right, if there is 4 digits, simple, 4, 5, 5, this is 4 digits, simply we have to do one thing, that take 2 digit, and before the 2 digit what we have to do, we have to only take a point. When we take a point, you can see this portion will known as rupees, which means rupees 444, and this unit will known as 55 paisa. So now this one is very simple, how we have to convert the rupees now, okay. This is from our exercise 8a. Now some fill-ups are given us. So students, these kinds of sum I will give surely given your test. So please prepare yourself, do practices every day because every practice make you perfect, okay. So now as you have now rupee 100, here is rupee 100, okay. Now here is dash and here is paisa. For example, I will give you some of options, okay. As the option is 100, B option is 200, C option is 1000. Okay, one more example which I can take from your book, that is 1500. Okay, I will take it. Okay, 1500. So you can see I have given the 4 options to you, that is MCQ. Okay, this is objective type question where we have so many choices but we have to choose one. And this is on you that how we take this one. If you take a one correct answer, you will take 1 marks. If you if you choose the incorrect answer, so that will be 0. So here students, we have first is 100. So simply we have to change into paisa, right? So when we have to change into paisa, so what we have to do? We have to take a look, and this one is converted into, sorry, here will be one take more 0. Now we can see it's 100, and when we multiply by 100, so how many zeros will be here? 4 zeros. Why? These 2 zeros here. Okay, so it's become, okay, how many 3 0? 10,000 has become. So where is 10,000? Where is 10,000? On C. So which one is our correct answer? This one is our correct answer. Okay. So these are only examples of your question paper, that how your questions will come in your test. So you have to give the answer very carefully. Okay. Firstly, do take some paper with yourself when you start your exam. Do your work, then just click on it, because you have only 30 minutes to do all these sums. Okay, when you have only 30 minutes, which means you have to work with your brain. Okay, so now we have 100, so we have to convert it to paisa, because there is dash, which means rupee, which is equal to which paisa, how many paisa. So we have converted to them, and we know that which one is the correct answer. Okay student, so now we have done this. Okay, now we will do the next one. As simple, you can see from the Phillips, the part third. Okay, we will take our F sum. Okay, where we have 9,096 paisa, which we have to convert into rupees, which means dash is given to us, which is equal to rupee. So we have to find out. So how we will find out? Let's find out. So firstly, we will write the equation. Equation is F, right? F equation is 9096 paisa. Okay, and equation is equal to, this one is rupees or paisa? Yes, that is rupee dash. Now we have to find out the rupee, which is equal to this much. So when we have to find out the rupee, so what we will do? We will take a point. Here is 2. Then take. So what will we do? That side. But I will give you option. That is, okay, that is like this. Okay. Now the rupees 996 or rupees 90.96 or rupee 909.6. So which one is our correct answer? A is a correct answer? Is that? No. So which one is your correct answer? B is your correct answer? Rupee 9096, is that? 9,996? No. So which one is our correct answer? C, right? Again the C is correct answer. So I have chosen here. So you have to choose yourself. So please be careful in your test, and you have to give your answer of F is 90.96, which means this one is rupee and this one is paisa. Okay. So we have done our fill up. You can see which one is fill up. Okay students. So we have done this. Now we will do the other one. Now let's do the addition of money. How? The addition of money. Okay, we are now going to do the addition of money. So in the addition, as a simple, we do in the simple equation of addition, same equals to addition of money. Okay. Now as we have, okay, here is the equation is given to us, that is rupee 109. Okay, this one is 109.30 paise, 88 paise. Okay, and 31.95 paise. So let's take it. Okay, now simply we have to do section divided. Okay, this one is rupee, this one is paisa. 10930, and then 88 paisa. So 88 paisa will be here, and 000 will be here, and this one is 31 point how much paisa? 95. So let's point everywhere. Now we have to do the addition. So simple. What we will do, we will take addition of our the sum 8 and 5. How much fits it? 30. 13, 1 will be here. 8 and 9 and 3, how much it become? Let's do the addition. 21. 2 will be go to here. Okay. Now 2. Here is 2. 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 will be here. 1 go to carry. Here is 3 and we will take our 4. Okay. 4. It's become 4 and it's become 1. So how much we have here? You can see simple. That is 142 rupees 0.13 paise. Okay. So this by this kind of method we have to solve our addition. So this one is your revision. I will give you only this kind of statement. Okay. And you have to follow up the equation in a quick method and find out the answer. For example, this equation is given to us, and as simple, I'll give you, okay, then B 150.36 and C is 190.40 and D sum is D we will take 142.30. So when we add this one, add this much, which one is your answer? When we add this much, which one is your answer? 143 rupees 0.92 paise? No. So this one is incorrect. 150 rupees 36 paise? No. This one is also incorrect. Now come to third. 190 paise, 190 rupees and 14 paise. Is that true? No. When we add this one, then we will get our right answer. This is 142.13 paise is right answer, which means the D1 is our right answer. Okay, student. So this one is your example of your equation, that this kind of equation will come in your exams, which means in your test, and you have to follow this kind of MCQ options, and you have to follow the rule that you have to choose the one. Okay. As I have chosen one, that is D. Okay. So this one is our test revision, how we have to do all the revision test papers. So this one is our addition, and the options are given us for answers, and we have to choose the one. So we have done this, and one more equation we will do. Okay. Now as we have another example of our addition. Right, in the first step we have seen that some equation are given to us and the addition is written above. So we have to do the addition. But when these signs are already given to us, right, here is plus, the another one is one more plus. That means we have to add these 3 digits. Okay. So as the answers will given to us like this. So which one is our correct answer? So let's do from the last numbers. So how we can find out? We can find out by our last numbers. So last numbers are, you can see these are paisa. 722. Okay, 722. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, right? So which means 1 will be carry and 1 will be your answer. So here you can see in which kind of paisa where is 1? Yes, here is 1. So which one is your right answer? This one is your right answer. Okay, this is very simple. You can learn it by your quick addition. How we have to do? We have to see that the last portion answer, because whenever we start our any equation, we always do from our right side, right students? We have started from our right side. This one is my right side. I am doing my right hand, so I always start from our right side, which means from paisa section. When we can see the last digit of every paisa. So these all are paisa. Now you can see 02 is paisa. Now we have the last digit 7, 2 and 2. So let's take a addition of only these numbers. So when we have 7, 2, 2. As I add, this is 11. So 11, 1 go to carry, but 1 will be taken below. So this one is our last digit. So by this digit, I have guessed as which one is our right answer. And when we not getting by our answer by this kind of equation, okay, by our last numbers, then you can do with we can add the paisa. When we have our paisa, you can see which one is our paisa section. Our paisa section is right, so you can easily guess the right answer. As I guess, the first answer is correct. Okay, students, you can see this one is our addition sum, and this kind of equation will come in your test too. So please prepare yourself, do practice at your home. Thank you.